Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and if you're new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle button, which is down below right here. Or is it? Let's just say it's this one. I could be wrong. I'm sorry. Followed by the post notification bell, so it notifies you when I drop a video. And if you're a return subscriber, hey, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Please continue to subscribe because I got lots more for you. I'm just gonna let you guys know off the bat right now. You see my face? I'm tired. Like, I'm trying to do this video because starting from tomorrow's Saturday, I have back-to-back things to do. So hopefully this is a part 2 video, so I could, edit one video into 2, and then that's my 3 videos right there. Because I have a lot to do. Okay, let's just get into the video. So today's video, what I'm going to be doing is called the best thumbnail apps. So as you guys know, I improved in my apps. Hear me. I improved on my thumbnails. Okay. So a lot of you have been asking me what I use for my thumbnails or whatever, and I've been meaning to make this video until I started using Photoshop. But I still go back, even though I use Photoshop now, I still go back and use these apps. So I'm gonna do a screen recording because I use more than one app just to do my thumbnail. So let me go into my photos and see, because now I just have a lot of stuff. So this picture right here, as you can see, the one that says quarantine birthday, this one, how I did this thumbnail. Okay, I was trying to figure out a quick thumbnail and I was like, how do I do that? I freaked out. Okay, so I can't remember all the steps that I did, but I know for a fact I used I think it's called Photo Grid. Let's see. Nah, is it? This is crazy right now. Hold on, y'all. It can't be this one because they switched up the app on me, y'all. Now, y'all, it was Pic Collage, and then they updated it. Like, it had my name at the bottom here. Is it still screen recording? Oh, it is. It had my name at the bottom here or whatever, but now you can't. I don't know what happened. I did a freestyle with it. It just said freestyle, you know what I'm saying? There we go, freestyle. I found it, y'all. So freestyle, you press right here. You add your whatever photos you want. Let's see if it works because they switched up the app. Yeah, freestyle. Then you could put it the way you want. You could change the background. They really changed up this app, so I'm sorry that I can't even show you how I did it because they changed it up. Damn. But in all this, how the photo looked like, I did this on my birthday, so I did a quick thing. I was like, I need something quick. I didn't even know, like, I put pictures together, it just didn't look good. And I'm like, you know what, I need something quick. This is quick, I'm fine. Then I did the quarantine birthday part. I did that in Pixar. But yeah, they switched up the app, so I'm sorry. They updated, you can't do nothing about it. This one, I did this in PixArt. So the intro, the banner thing. So what I did with this was I went to PixArt and they already have a pre-installed, what is it called? They already have a pre-installed template. So I went through this. You see how I'm going through this? And then I just added it. So you see how I'm going through this or whatever? Whatever thing I like, I could save it and then I can recreate my own after. So I'm going through this. I am trying to find, yo, this is sick. Can I try this? I'm finding what I want and what I don't want. So it says before and after. So these are the effects, you get what I'm saying? And then next, you could do next. So after you make it blurry, okay, who cares? And then the sticker. So it's downloading right now. This is one of the thumbnails that I did. Why is this girl here? I don't need her here. Let me add a picture of myself. Like, I don't care. I'd rather have a picture of me than somebody else. These pictures are ugly. These are just random pictures. I don't even care, to be honest. Move. And then you could just skip. Oh, I love this. New theme. There's a text. I don't need no text. I don't care. Hurry up and download. Oh my god. So yeah, and then there's next. And then how do you even play it? You can't even play it. This is weird. A bad example. I'm sorry, y'all. But I'm just gonna save that to my thing and then figure this out later. You can't even save it, can you? So there, you save it to your thing. So it shows you what's next. But it just didn't work for me. So I don't know. I don't know about that, to be honest. And then I'm gonna look for next one for you. I don't know. They updated this app. I only use it once in a while because there was too many apps I was using and it's just too much, y'all. Let's try this one again. It's the same one, but let's try it. Okay, cut me out. That's fine. The masking. What are you gonna mask? Yo, that's sick right here. Look at this, y'all. And then shadow 10. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Then it's saving, and then what happens next? I should save this and see something, you know what I'm saying? I want to save this. It says save photo. Don't tell me it's a photo because it should have been a video. Hold on, y'all. It should have been a video, not a freaking photo. Okay, but it still looks good at the end of the day, right? I have a whole collection of things where I save. And then I'm trying to find a good one for you to know exactly what I'm talking about. A new one because, yeah, they don't. Yo, this is sick right here too. Oh my god. They updated everything. Okay. It says 7-day free trial. Just don't listen to that. Just keep pressing X. Because a lot of people have been asking me. But it says you have to pay. Yeah, there's a paid version. And then there's a free version. Of course, I'm going to use the free version. Because who has money for that? I know I don't. So let's try this. I'm going to... Yo, let's just use the old picture. Because we don't have time for this. So it's going to do that. Ooh, that is so sick. Look at that. And then, you know what I'm saying? And then there, it's already pre-installed. So yeah. So then this one that I did, it says braiding my own natural hair. That was already a pre-installed one that they already did. So I found that in one of this thing right here. So let me go to my organization. My collection, sorry. You can also make stickers out of your own. I gotta show you all that. Of course my internet goes slow. So I have different stuff that I saved here. You can save different stickers and all. Oh, like I said, they updated this whole app. It says before and after. So it's showing you how it's gonna look before and then showing you how it's gonna look after. Okay. They stepping up. They really stepping up. So again, there we go. The phone part is right here. So this is what I did. It says try. You press try. And then you add 3 photos that you want. So we're going to go with this. And let's just add the program one. I want to see something. So, oh, they changed it. You could make, ooh. They changed it because before I was able to, what is it called? So you see how the picture is here? Oh no, they didn't change it. Okay, I got it. But before it showed you. So I can make the size looking like that. This, I could just right there. And there's me right there. And then it's saving. And then you press next. And then it's downloading. But I don't know what this is. Why is this extra thing right here? Oh, this is for this. Okay, I was going to say. And then, I don't know. This is weird. When I did it, everything was fine. I didn't have to adjust. Well, I did have to adjust a little bit, but not too much. But I like how now they're giving you an option. Like right away, it shows you have to adjust. You know what I'm saying? Well, before it took me a while just to get it. And then there you go. Those are the 3. You could change the background. So I don't know how to change the background. How do I change the background? I'm going to have to press back. And that's what I hate. Hold on. Ooh, they're really giving you a nice option. Before I never had that option. They really stepped up. But yeah, here. Hold on, y'all. I don't want that YouTube part in, but it's gonna have to go because that's what I chose, right? And then there. And then there. That's the 3 phone. This one on the right looks bigger because of the photo itself. So that's there. That's the pre-installed for you. That's exactly how I did my my braiding my own hair. And then this one, that was PicsArt. This one was BizArt. So that's another app where I do my thumbnail. So for that, excuse me, because I didn't get my water. I was in a rush. Like I told you, I'm tired. So, you know. Where is BizArt? BizArt's right here. I have too many apps, yo. I can't wait to download the iOS 4 so I can show you everything. So, BizArt, again, they already have iOS 14 icon. Oh my god. It says iOS 14 icon. I'm sorry. I can't wait. Yo. When I edit my iOS 14... this is how it's gonna look, but you have to pay. Ugh. Some things you have to pay, yeah. So okay, ew, I have photos ready. So this is my Tory Lanez one, okay. And then what did I do? So in here you could, this says magic meaning you could automatically cut, but I don't do that because you gotta pay for that. Or you can make it, ooh, you see how, what is it called, how YouTubers are like, oh, I just got my first car, or surprising my honey, whatever. You could change it like this. I didn't even know. I'm just doing this now, eh? So instead of me using my Photoshop, I could just do something quickly here, pop it there, and then, you know, so I could fill it, make it like that. I want to go back to the basic. So cancel, undo. So you press undo. You could add a text, so I can put hi my supporters. So there's my text right there for you. I'm gonna put let's go with this color. So you can make it smaller. You could also change the text, or the font I should say. So that's how Brad looks like. That's how, some of them are paid, so you gotta be careful and choose which one you want. There's a Samuel. I like this one, Samuel. I never used it. There's different kinds right here, as you can see. So the ones that have the crown on it, that means you have to pay. Okay. So there's that. And then the background, you could change the background. It could be any color. It could be black, as you can see. It could be that color. It could be red. I'm just going to leave it at this color, you know. And then how I outlined it was right here. It says outline. And then I did that. And then there you go. And then you can blend, but why would you want to do that? There's different types of things you could do, and then those are free, but we're not doing that. We're leaving it. Transform, meaning discharge, but you gotta pay for it. You could flip it to make it that way, you know. Shadow, you already know what shadows you can angle. I'm not doing that. You could do a blur effect or whatnot, but I'm not gonna do that. You could do shapes. You could add shapes in there, whatever, but I'm not gonna do that. It says overlay, so in the overlay you could add that. Ooh, the confetti. I didn't even know. Okay, I did not know. I feel like this is all new to me. They added all of this when I was doing this. They added all of this. They didn't have this, so yeah, those are stickers. You could add a sticker. I love the confetti, like my birthday, y'all. I could have done this for my birthday. This is so sad. You can draw. So you can draw the outline if you want, but I'm not perfect at drawing. You can change the size, so you can put portrait, landscape, square. You can make it Instagram, but those are all paid. For what is it called, thumbnail, just so you guys know, it's 6 times 9, I believe. I could be wrong about it, but I'm gonna fix myself. I'm gonna fix it right here. Or 16 times 9, sorry, that's what it is. So right here, even though you have to pay, the other ones is showing right here, you can literally go and then go to standards. It's the same thing, but it's just not gonna say Instagram, Facebook, and all that. And yeah, you figure out what the size is, and then there you go. I love this. I'm gonna save this even though I look funny. Animation. I don't know what they mean by animation. Oh, it's like you're gonna make an animation out of it. Okay, well, you can zoom in, but we ain't doing that. I'm just gonna save it. So you could duplicate it if you want, or the layers, it says. I don't know what you mean by layers, but I remember it said you could duplicate it. You could remove the watermark. So oh yeah, it's gonna show the watermark. So what I do, since it shows the watermark, I just cut it. I just crop it out. So you could send it to Facebook, Instagram, whatever. You could save the video, or you could save the image. But yeah, it's saving. I'm gonna make a next thing because my thing might cut out. It's at 22 minutes right now, so I'm gonna make a next record. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, next record. So let's go to my photos. There's gonna be a lot of editing for me, but I'm down with it. I'm down with it. I'm so down with it. Okay, let's go. And then there it is. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love that. You see how it says bits art at the bottom? You can't really tell because of confetti. So this is what I do with it. I press edit. I press this. And then I like literally zoom up. And then nobody would know that I got it from BizArt. And then there you go. But I'm going to reconvert it because I want to know that I got it from BizArt. Okay, so that's BizArt for you.